Hi, welcome to PowerPoints That Engage. Here I'm going to show the sample for how to play the Word Scramble games. My example here is for first grade Unit 3, Lesson 1, though all the others will play pretty similarly. Simple directions. On the start of each slide shows a scrambled word with a timer. When the timer goes down, you'll hear the bell ring, which means time is up. In that time, students have to look at the scrambled word and figure out which of their spelling words it is and write it down on their paper or whiteboard, depending on what you prefer. So here we go, timer's going down. Each one kind of has different timing, and I can show you how to switch that. That signals that time is up. You can call for students to say what answers they are. When you're ready, you can click anywhere on the screen, and there comes in the correct answer. And you can have students correct and fix and figure out what one. Click again anywhere on the screen to go to the next slide, and the timer starts automatically. So you have to be ready for it, that it starts right away, and time is up, ready, you can click and show the answer. You can keep going through this at a speed that works for your class. I have a set speed right now, and then once we go through this, I'll show how to make it longer if you feel like it's a little too quick for your class. We'll keep going through these. There's only a couple for this first lesson, and each one I think is around 8 seconds or so, but we'll check on that. And go on through. Here's the fifth one. Up top here I have the number so you can keep track of how many there are. And of course with your class you'll be going a lot slower than I am, but of course that's all up to you just based on how quick you click on it. There we go. Last one, it'll count down, and there we go. So say you want to switch the length of time. Come up here to animations, and you'll click on the bar, and up here you see where it says 8. You can choose how long you want it to be. I currently have it at 8 seconds. If that's too long, make it shorter. If it's too short, you can increase it. It increases by quarter-second increments. And test it out to see how long it feels correct for you. Beginning, you might want it a little bit longer than this just to get the students ready and more familiar. But it really depends on the class for how long you want it to be. And you can go through and it should start just after. If you increase, say you increase the time here on the countdown line, if it's at 8 seconds, I like to have the clock start its process about a second less than that. So like if that's 8, I want the clock to start at 7. Say we want to switch and have the countdown go all the way to 10. Then I'd do the delay up to 9. So that it'll start spinning shortly before it's over, but then once the timing's all the way done, it'll be ringing. The nice thing also with these is that say you want to add in a new one, all you have to do is Control Copy, Control Paste, or Control C and Control V to add in new ones. Then go in, mix up your mixed up spelling word, and put it in both. There you go, and then you have your new one. Change the number, and there you go, you're ready. So you can really alter it to make it really fit everything, because sometimes you might want to add in different spelling words or add in some review, make it longer, make it shorter. That's all up to you to make it fit perfectly for your class. These ones currently all match the Engage New York lessons, and they're made to match each week for it, and they're labeled and ready to go. I hope you enjoy it. Please check out more spelling games and take a look at my Teachers Pay Teachers for PowerPoints that engage.